Hey sweetie, welcome to my new video. Ready to stretch with me? Then let's get started. Sit down on your knees, resting your hips on your heels. Clasp your hands behind your back, arms straight, elbows extended. Start to gently rock your torso forward. Go deeper and deeper with each movement, only as far as your flexibility allows. Stay connected to your breath and let your body quiet you into the stretch. Come onto all fours and start moving your spine, arching up like a cat, and then gently dipping down. Open your chest, lift your tailbone. Begin slow circular movements, swaying your hips, drawing wide circles with your whole spine, and change the direction when it feels right. Let this be intuitive. Let your body lead the way. We have given a good stretch to our shoulders and triceps. Now, once again, clasp your hands behind your back. Fold forward, bringing the crown of your head down towards the mat. Hips lift high. You're in a gentle inversion. Your hips above your heart. Stretch your arms out in front of you and let the gravity quiet you deeper. Feel the stretch across your chest and shoulders. Breathe. Lie down on your belly, bend your knees and reach back to grab your feet. Pull your heels toward your glutes. And now gently rock your hips side to side, trying to press both feet down to the floor. Feel the opening in your quads and hips. Extend one leg and bend it again. Repeat a few times, slowly, and switch to another leg. By the way, darling, if you're enjoying my video at the moment, don't forget to check my other social media by the link in the description of my channel, so we can stay more connected on my other platforms. Now come into bow pose. Still lying on your belly, grab your ankles again. Inhale, lift your chest and knees off the floor. You're one long open arc, shining from the heart. Gently lower down and lift again, up and down. A few soft pulses with your breath. And then relax. Press the top of your feet into the mat, gently grounding them with your hands. Now gently release your feet. Extend your legs long and let your body melt into the mat. Rest in reversed Shavasana, lying on your belly. Let your breath be slow, deep and easy. Completely surrender and feel the softness within. Thank you for practicing with me. I will be waiting for you on my secret page. And see you very soon. I love you. Bye.